Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do weekly love reading for air sign Libra for the month of November, and this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your messages, Libra. Okay, your first card, Temperance, the Magician. Wow, Ten of Wands. I think you are in Magician energy. You are manifesting something in your life, Libra. And Temperance, you are trusting your intuition. Yeah, your guides are guiding you. Definitely the Temperance, you are trusting your intuition. And the Magician, yeah, you are going to manifest something in your life, and you are in manifesting energy. So what you are going wish for, definitely the wishes are going to be granted. But you are feeling something burden also. Ten of Wands, you, due to work or any other reason, you are feeling overburdened. Ten of Wands. It could be you or your person. I think it could be you. I am getting energy, could be vice versa. Knight of Cups, Knight of Pentacles, and Ten of Pentacles. Yeah, someone is coming towards you, and it is very slow moving energy. Knight of Pentacles, Knight of Cups. Yeah, it is also slow moving energy, but they have strong emotions for you. Ten of Pentacles, they want to offer stability. Yeah, they want to offer stability to you, to this connection. They are coming back to you. If you are in separation, your person coming back to you, Libra. But very slow moving energy, because they have strong emotions for you, or you are going to go towards your person. You have strong emotion and you want to give stability to your connection. Energy could be vice versa. So let's see some more. The Lovers, and Eight of Pentacles, and Wheel of Fortune. Wow, yeah, there is love between both of you. You or your person could be Gemini also. And Eight of Pentacles. Yeah, now one person in this connection seriously want to work on this relationship. And Wheel of Fortune, definitely things are turning in your favor. I am getting it's your card, Libra. Definitely things are turning in your favor. Definitely your person want to work on this relationship, or you want to work on this relationship, because the Gemini, the Lovers card is here. You both love each other. The Hanged Woman, and King of Wands, and Four of Wands. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sag, fire energy. You both could be twin flames also, 11 and 11. Yeah, King of Wands. One person is very passionate about the other person, and but one person literally stuck. I think your person may be stuck. That's why they are coming very slow towards you. Knight of Pentacles and Knight of Cups. They realize you both, and they recognize they have strong emotions for you, and they are coming back to you. But it is slow moving energy. They are stuck literally right now. And yeah, they also want reunion with you. Four of Wands, if you are in separation. If you are not in separation, definitely they want to take this relationship to next level. Four of Wands is here. So let's see your person current feelings and actions towards you, then we will get more clarity. Who stuck it, you or your person? Energy could be vice versa. The Page of Cups, Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, your person stuck. I think the one person who stuck in this connection is your person. Knight of Pentacles, definitely they are coming back to you with stable offer, but it is very slow moving energy, and they are coming back with an apology if anything they did wrong to you. Yeah, Seven of Wands. They don't want to give up on this connection this time. Yeah, they want to win you back in their life. Page of Cups, Knight of Pentacles, and Seven of Wands. And Hanged Woman. Definitely your person stuck right now. Let's see your person near future actions towards you. Two of Cups, Hierophant. Wow, Tower. Yeah, some tower movement is happened between both of you. Some issues, some disturbances between both of you. And Two of Cups, Hierophant. Now they want to offer commitment to you, Libra. Yes, your person want to commit to you, because Two of Cups is here, and Gemini Lovers card is also here. Definitely both love each other. There is equal love between both of you. Definitely your person want to commit to you. They are backing with an apology. Yeah, let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. The Tower, 2 times Tower. I think something is going to be happen between both of you. Hierophant 2 times. Some commitment issues I am getting. 2 of Pentacles. 6 of Wands. Yeah, one person has to make some decision. I think you both are at some juggling state. You both have to make some major decision regarding this connection, because the Tower moment is regarding already in your person actions and in connection cards also, because this Tower moment impacts you both definitely, but at end of the day, 6 of Wands with Hierophant, you both want commitment to each other and you both want success with each other. Yeah, definitely some in past some commitment issues, but in near future that issues are going to be resolved between both of you. Yeah, so let's see your overall energy for the week, Libra. 5 of Cups, the Chariot, and Jatiya. You are also undergoing some spiritual awakening. You are also sad for the separation between both of you, and Chariot. Yeah, you want to take things to next level. You also want this relationship, Libra. Yes, you want this relationship. And let's see your person overall energy. Justice, Knight of Wands and Knight of Cups. Yeah, your person have strong emotions for you. They realized they have strong emotions for you. They are very passionate about you. Gemini, Justice, they want second chance. This is Libra card. Definitely your person want second chance with you, Libra. So they are coming back. So it's up to you to give second chance to your person or not, depending upon your situation. If it is not third party, it is okay. If it is third party, it's up to you. Definitely they are coming back. I think you also want a new beginning with your person, because you also want success with, because your energy also, you are feeling sad, and you also Chariot, here you or your person could be Cancer. You also want some moment in this connection, and you also want to take things to next level. So this is the reading for you, Libra. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys, and click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notifications. Bye.